Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to another YouTube video if you are not new here. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Laney, and I love creating all types of content, including health, wellness, lifestyle, college, food, basically anything that has to do with my life and how I try to live a healthy and balanced lifestyle while being a busy college student in New York. So today's video is just going to be me showing you a couple of days of eating. Before we even get into this video, I just want to give you the disclaimer that everybody's body needs different amounts of food. This is just what I chose to eat on these days. I eat on a decent budget, and I also eat mostly plant-based. I'm vegetarian, so I don't eat any meat products. I don't eat a lot of dairy, and I do consume eggs. So, just to let you know. What I'm eating right now is a bowl of cottage cheese with some different toppings, and then a loaded cereal bowl with fruit and almond milk and a little bit of protein powder and cinnamon. And then on the cottage cheese, I just have some more cereal, peanut butter, cinnamon, and apple. I just realized I've kind of been in this clip for like every part, or I've been in this area for like every clip of my video. At least yesterday, but I made myself a coffee. It's Valentine's Day, and I'm going out for dinner tonight, and that's exciting. And I'll be sure to let you guys know how it is. Cause if you were looking for like the perfect food to have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever, and you want something sweet and savory, doing avocado and egg on toast, and then doing like toast with like fruit and like nut butter and granola and cinnamon and stuff is so good. You can like go back and forth in between whatever you want. I forgot to put cinnamon on this. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. But this is literally like one of my favorite combos, and I know that a lot of my meals that I have on here I repeat, but I just want to be realistic and like show you what it's like eating in college and like eating on a budget and making sure I use up all my groceries. So there is a lot of meal repeating, but that doesn't get boring to me because I really enjoy my meals. And then throughout like the weeks when I go get groceries, I plan different recipes to have, different things to have, so that I don't get bored. Like this week I'm having burritos, which I haven't had a burrito since I came out here. I've made like tacos and stuff, but these burritos have different things, and I'll get like new ingredients to try in them. Like I got the new Trader Joe's like plant-based crumbles that you like hydrate in water. I'll try and find a photo of it to put on here for you guys. Just like things like that, adding new ingredients, trying new products in foods that you already like, things like that can really switch things up but not cost too much extra. You can get through everything and not like have any waste with your food. But anyways, I'm going to eat this, and then I'm probably going to read for a little bit. And this morning my boyfriend and I are going to go get coffee around like 9 o'clock ish, so I'll probably see you around that time.
What we're going to do today is share the people that didn't share today, and as soon as class is over, I need to hand in my final grades. So
Good morning. I'm almost done with my coffee. I am feeling a little rough this morning. I got my period yesterday, so I'm kind of just out of it. But that's okay because I got my period, and if you have been following me on all platforms, you know that is something I've been trying to get back for almost 5 months-ish. I got it last month, and I was really hoping I'd be able to get it again this month, and I have, so it's something I'm super grateful for, and I will not complain about being on my period and feeling a little bit fatigued and stuff like that. Like, I would take that over not having my period. I did not get videos of me eating last night because both of the places we went to were, one, busy, and two, dark. The lighting in them was very dark. But I did get photos of what I had for dinner and also what I had for dessert. So there you go. That is what I ate last night. My boyfriend and I both got pizzas. We went to this place called Double Zero. It is a plant-based food place. They have pizzas, pastas, other dishes that are not pizza or pasta. They have like salads, and they have like desserts. Really cute place. It's a really nice vibe there. So if you're in New York and you're looking for a place to eat, check out Double Zero. Really good. And then for dessert, they did have dessert at Double Zero, but we wanted to go try this cafe that my boyfriend has been to before. It's a really cool cafe. It's open until like 3 or 4 in the morning. We didn't stay that late because I have school today at 8 o'clock, and so does he. Like, we're not doing that on a school day, but maybe some weekend we will. We went to this place called Cafe Reggio, Reggio, and we got dessert. He got a cappuccino. It was a really cute place. It was very busy though. We got there like at the perfect time because people started coming in. They had to start turning people away because they had all their tables full. But anyways, I'm pretty much done with my coffee. I'm gonna have breakfast here in a minute, and I'm probably gonna have similar to what I had yesterday. I'm just out of Greek yogurt, so I'm gonna have cottage cheese instead. I have a really busy day at school today, so I'm not going to show you what I'm having for lunch or for snacks because my snack break is literally like 5 minutes of me just walking in between classes, and my lunch is just leftover pizza from last night. I just brought that, and my snack is literally a pickle, a banana, and string cheese. So that is what I'll be having at school today. I'll make sure to show you my breakfast. I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Okay, so I only have 2 slices of toast left, and I want to have 3 if I'm gonna have toast for breakfast. So instead I'm having the cottage cheese bowl. I don't have apples, so it has blueberries, raspberries, peanut butter, cinnamon, and those like Trader Joe Cheerios. And then I also have Trader Joe Cheerios with almond milk, a little bit of protein powder, bananas, raspberries, blueberries, cinnamon. So I'm gonna eat these. Okay, sorry, I already ate half of it. I just got off of therapy, but I'm having a burrito like I had yesterday during class. And I got back from classes today. I had 4 finals, so I'm extremely hungry. This day is really busy. I only get 1 30-minute break, so I literally was only able to have my leftover pizza, and then I shoved down my pickle, banana, and string cheese during my like walking to the next room for finals. Now I'm having a burrito. This has the new Trader Joe's like meatless ground. I think I talked about this earlier. The ones that's like dehydrated and then you rehydrate it, and it's pretty good. It doesn't taste like much. I feel like it just tastes like the taco seasoning that I put on it, but that's nice because I personally don't eat meat because I don't like the taste of meat. And so having this, like, it's decently high in protein, and it's an easy way that I can add something like meat like a protein to like burritos and like different dishes, and I can season it however I want it to taste. So I definitely think it's worth giving a try if you have a Trader Joe's near you. Also, this mango peach salsa that I have is really good. It's from Target. It's the Good and Gather brand. And the last thing I had to eat on this day was 2 rice cakes and a slice of bread with some yogurt, some fruit, nut butter, and cinnamon. That is all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!